Drawing on an iPad is becoming increasingly popular among artists, graphic designers, and other creative peoples. The iPad's large screen and advanced stylish technology allow for the precise drawing and painting. Why to use iPad for the drawing? There are several reasons why you might want to use iPad for the drawing. First, it's portable and lightweight device that can be really helpful. Second, the iPad's large screen provides a spacious canvas for the artwork. Finally, with the right app, you can access a range of the powerful tools and the features that allow you to create stunning digital art. Okay, so let's talk about the best app for the iPad drawing. Here are some of the best apps for the drawing. On number one, we have the Procreate. Procreate is one of the most popular apps for the drawing on iPad. It's powerful and intuitive app that offers a range of the features and the tools, including over 130 brushes, layers, and blend modes. Procreate also support PSD files, which means you can access, import, and export artwork of the other software. Number two, we have the Adobe Furioso. Adobe Furioso is another great app for the drawing and iPad. It's offers a range of the realistic brushes and support the vector brushes, making it an ideal tool for the both digital painting and the graphic designing. Adobe Focus also include the features like layer, mask, and selection tool, allowing you to create the complex compositions. On number three, we have the Concepts. Concept is a versatile app that can be used for the sketching, drawing, and even the 3D modeling. It features our infinite canvas, a range of the customizable brushes, and the sports layer and vector editing. Concepts also offer a range of the export options, allowing you easily share your artwork with the others. On number four, we have the Sketchbook. Sketchbook is a popular app that offers a range of the tools and the features of the drawing and painting on iPad. It offers over 190 customizable brushes, layers, and the blind mode, as well as a range of the other tools like ruler and guides. Sketchbook also supports the PSD files, making it easy to share your artwork with others. On number five, we have the Tasku Sketches. Tasku Sketches is a simple and intuitive app that is very helpful for the drawing. It features a range of the brushes, including watercolor and many more. Along with that, Tasku Sketches also include a range of the customizable tools, allowing you to create unique designs. Okay, let's talk about the conclusion. Drawing on the iPad has become an essential tool for the today's era. With the right app, you can create the stunning digital arts that's just as good as anything you can make with the traditional tools. Whether you are a professional artist or just getting scratched, the apps listed above are some of the best apps for the drawing on the iPad.